Hello guys, welcome to this channel and I hope everyone's still in good shapes. Alright, so today I'm going to share a tutorial and as usual this tutorial is made based on the questions from our friend, and today is questions from Hadeed Awan. So I'm sorry if I couldn't pronounce your name correctly. He's asking about how can I search this element in Canva. Alright, so I believe that this white circle over here that is asking for how to search how to search this element over here. So I believe this one, all these things still can be found in Canva, and this one it can be done in Canva 100%. So I made mine already. So over here, so this element is from Canva. So I will just mention one by one, and I challenge myself how to search this one and how to make this kind of element. All right, so by the way, before I continue, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Siu Sarama. I come from Indonesia and I live in Bali. So for those who are not yet have a Canva Pro account, you may just click this link over here on this video description. This link is official link from Canva because I was affiliated with Canva. So if you are not yet, you may use this link and you can upgrade your account so that you can get all access when you are searching all the element. So that's the benefit. All right, so without further delay, as I mentioned that I challenged myself to make this one. This is the aim of making this tutorial is I just want to help especially our friend Hadeed Awan, and to help others as well who are not yet familiar and how to make this design. So is this design the whole thing's made up, or this element is combined element from different element? So this one is a group of element. This one is a group of element, and I will show you one by one. Is only 4 elements over here. All right, so the first element in here is the name is a single black star. So if you search this one is a single black star, it comes with the black one. And because this element is editable color, so that I changed already the color become green. And the second one is single star, and the third one is 5 concentric ellipses vintage illustration. So this is the name of this element over here, and this one is a familiar element that we can find and search in here, lines and shapes. This one it's easy. So once you click line and shapes, if this one comes with thick lines, so you just click this one and line weight and all the way back until the value become 1. So after that you just put on here. All right, so this is what I meant, just to make it there. All right guys, so to make it happen this design, let's make it and let's group it and let's design. So this line we need to put inside in here. All right, and this star put in here, all in the middle, and this one. So I just turning this one to get it the right position. All right, so I turning in there, and after that I put on top of it. Once I get it, this all things done, and I group it and copy paste. So I double copy paste and I upside down. All right, so I upside down, and after that pull down, so similar like this. All right, so this is the design, and mine is done, and I hope after watching this tutorial you can make your own. and it's not so difficult. So I hope all this element name that I mentioned that you can get it, and later on you can search on my video description so that you can copy paste once you are working on it, or you're still doing on this, or you're still looking for this element. So guys, I'm done, and if you think this tutorial is useful for you guys, you can subscribe this channel to support. And if you don't like to get any notifications from this channel, please do not subscribe the channel. You just watch, that's fair enough. Thank you guys, and see you to the next tutorial. Bye bye.